powerful golden dragon, protector of the land of 1,000 legends, was attacked and fell from the sky, splitting into 5 elements. They disappeared and were feared lost. In their absence, an evil erupted and seized the land. But after 12 years, the elements re-emerged. Raindrop, water. Xiaoyan, wood. Jinho, metal. Niwa, earth. And Flamo, fire. They must join forces in battle against evil if peace and harmony is to be restored. Master Raindrop.
Prepare to meet the Frozen Fist. Oh, I still can't do it. Whoa!
Wisely done, Xiaoyan. Using a bucket to catch a raindrop.
She just got lucky with that shifting shadows move.
Lucky? It takes hours of practice to have luck like that.
Xiaoyan is right. But too much practice makes you rigid like oak. To be prepared, you must stay supple like bamboo.
Yes, Master.
As for you, Raindrop,
Yes, Master?
don't be impatient. What use is a compass to a monkey who cannot find his own tail?
Huh?
You're a paper tiger, or show and no flow. That is why you could not achieve Frozen Fist.
But I've tried and tried, Master.
Then you must try again.
Now? Can I do something else, like sword training or...
No, I have something else in mind. It is time now for your most important training.
Wow! I bet it's the attack of the dragon. Only the greatest masters can do that.
No, I am sure it is the dance of the crane, which is as serene as it is difficult.
You're both wrong. It's the cleaning of the stove.
What?
There's ash everywhere, and if cleaning it doesn't teach you a little patience and flexibility, nothing will.
Oh. It's not fair we still have to work when all the other students get to go home for the break.
This is our home, Raindrop. Our duty to look after it doesn't end with summer.
I'd rather go outside and do some more Chi-Taido training.
Master says Chi-Taido is the balance of mind, body, and soul. There is more to learn than just fighting skills.
Duh! I already know how to sweep. I want to learn that shifting shadows move you do. Hi-ya! Whoa! Huh? What the?
Who are they?
Don't know, but we better find out.
Quick, follow me.
What is happening, Master? Who are those soldiers?
They're terrors, General Boo's mindless monsters made of clay. They're neither alive nor dead.
And they're attacking us because...
General Boo must have discovered the golden dragon didn't die.
Golden Dragon. Golden Dragon. Wait, it's coming to me.
That Golden Dragon, the embodiment of universal peace and harmony. But what's it got to do with us?
No time to explain. You've got to hide before General Boo sees you.
What? But we have to stay out here to defend the school.
Yeah, send those mud monsters running.
Bow down before your lord and master, emperor of the land of 1,000 legends, General Boo!
Do you mind? I've just swept there.
You pathetic old man. It makes me laugh to think I once called you master.
General Boo was a student here?
That was long ago, Boo. Now you're the general, and I'm still just an old Chitaido teacher.
Don't mock me! You're not just a teacher. You are the only one who could know where the elements are.
You flatter me, Boo, but I don't know where they are any more than you do. Now, I must get back to my chores.
Tell me! Or I'll obliterate you and everything else here. Who is here?
This room is full of spirits who will stop you if you try to harm this school.
You dare to threaten me?
Doragon Taido!
Your puny Doragon Taido is no match against the power of the Taida. Tora Taido!
We've got to help the master.
No! General Boo's no match for the greatest Chitaido teacher in the land.
This is the end of the road for you. This is what I think of your golden dragon. I was wrong to challenge you. Forgive me, Master.
You had so much promise, Boo. You could have been a great and wise master if you had not become blinded by greed.
It's better than being blinded by trust. Seize him! No. Flamo, Grub, get in here, now!
You called, General?
We're taking him to my fortress. There, he'll talk. Now burn everything. Destroy the school.
No! Take me, but leave the school.
Why? When I could do both. I never did like this place. All that sweeping. Torch it!
You heard General Boo. Let's teach your school a lesson.
I don't get it.
We've got to get out of here.
We can't! The handle is jammed! We're trapped!
And this is just the start of your troubles, unless you tell me what I want to know.
Raindrop, Xiaoyan, get out of there.
Don't worry. I'll get it open. Quit panicking.
This way!
See? I told you we didn't need to worry. The door! The fire's too strong.
That window!
And we get up there how? The stairs are out?
Jump!
I can't reach. You're too high.
Do 7 monkeys dancing! Remember what the master said. Feel the stillness and draw on its power.
Let's go.
We cannot survive that drop!
We can if we land on that wagon load of fruit. At least things couldn't get any worse.
Oh, I wish you hadn't said that! Oh, gooseberries!
Oh, it had to be prickly gooseberries. Xiaoyan, are you okay?
Yes, but look! Our school, our home, gone.
And Master Yun, we have to do something.
How? We cannot defeat General Boo and his army of terrors. And even if we had a way to contact the other students...
Master Yun says a flea cannot defeat a dog, but it can easily rescue another flea.
Wait a minute. You just made that up.
So what? It's true. We've still got to find the flea. I mean the master.
How? General Boo could be anywhere by now.
Or right here. Wow! What's that? Check out the balloon on that thing.
A flying fortress. So that's how the general gets his army anywhere he wants.
Then let's get this rescue mission on the road before he flies away again. Come on!
Wait, Raindrop. You haven't thought this through.
What's to think? We sneak in behind the army, rescue the master, and sneak out.
Oh, not even a flea could sneak in there now.
Tell me where the elements are!
I cannot.
Tell me, or I'll get Grub to make you talk.
All right, General. I'll tell you where one of the elements is.
Where?
There.
Huh?
He's obviously the fire element.
I know that. I found him. That's how I knew the others were alive. I want you to tell me where they all are.
I don't know. And that's the truth.
All right, you asked for it. Grub, do that horrible, evil thing that always makes them talk. Sooner or later.
I can't look!
You might as well tell me, because I'm not letting you go until you do. And it's not as if anyone is going to rescue you.
As I said, not even a flea could squeeze through here.
Fleas don't squeeze, Xiao Yan. They jump!
Raindrop, the guards! This is not going well. There must be a better way.
Sweet and sour pork.
How can you think about your stomach at a time like this?
Gooseberries.
Take away food order for General Boo. Open up, please.
Let me see that. Looks all right. Seize them!
Are you crazy? That's General Boo's food.
No, Boo has his own chef who prepares all his meals.
Not anymore. General Boo imprisoned him for sneezing in the oyster sauce.
Yeah, and what do you think will happen to the person who actually eats General Boo's food?
Let them through.
I don't believe it, General. No matter how close I get with my loogie, he won't crack.
And what good are you to me? Get off him!
I know what'll make him talk. A little toasting.
Are you crazy? One careless spark will set off the hot air burner, and the whole fortress will take off. And we're not going anywhere until I know where the other elements are.
What do you need the other elements for when you've got me?
It's a long story, Flamo. Beginning with the day I single-handedly changed the course of history. It was 12 years ago on the most important event in the cosmic calendar, the birth of the Golden Dragon. When the dragon takes its place in the heavens, peace and harmony reign over the world. I knew if I destroyed the Golden Dragon, I could create my own evil empire, and violence and disharmony would rule. So, using my Torataido skills and the peach pit from the Tree of Longevity, I brought the dragon down. Now there was nothing to stop me becoming the supreme lord of the land, destroying everything in my path with my army of invincible terrors.
What you did was so brave, General.
So brave that he attacked the dragon when it was most vulnerable. And he didn't fight it single-handedly, but used a giant catapult to fire a peach pit.
But I still destroyed the dragon.
The golden dragon was only wounded. As it fell to earth, its consciousness split into the 5 elements: earth, water, metal, wood, and of course, you.
Yes. So I actually created you.
Now he wants to find the other elements to stop them before they can unite to awaken the dragon.
But if the golden dragon awakens, that would be the end of your empire.
Exactly. Which is why I need this old fool to tell me where the other elements are.
I would be a bigger fool if I told you.
Throw him in a cell. A taste of prison will loosen his tongue.
Raindrop, we are going round in circles.
Hey, is it my fault all these tents look the same? This way.
Oh, why? Because of your great sense of direction?
No, because there's Master Yun.
Welcome to your new home. Enjoy the fleas.
The cockroaches are very tasty too.
You have a great destiny, Flamo. But it does not lie with General Boo.
It does. No one's greater than General Boo.
If you want true greatness, follow the path of the golden dragon.
And choke in a peach pit? How great is that? Don't let him out of your sight. I'm going to get some lunch.
What about me?
I'll bring you a doggy bag.
Oh, goody. I like doggies.
How are we going to get past that creature thing?
I've got an idea.
Sweet and sour pork. Fried rice. Oh, chicken's feet.
Xiaoyan, Raindrop, you are alive! Get away from here, right now!
Not until we get you out of here.
No! It is more important that you save yourselves. There is something I must tell you about the golden dragon.
What are you doing here?
Eating the food you left me.
This is your food.
Then who put this here? Oh.
Okay, so the golden dragon was broken into 5 elements. What's that got to do with us? Hey!
Raindrop, you are the water element.
I am?
It was safer for you, not knowing. Now, that has changed.
Is there anything else we should know?
Not until the time is right. For now, just remember, General Boo must not catch you.
Oops! Sorry. Too late for that advice.
More mighty terrors to do my bidding. Rise, my warriors. Rise up, creatures of evil, and prepare to do my washing. And don't forget to separate the whites and colors.
General Boo! General Boo! I found the water element.
What? Already? Brilliant work, Flamo! I knew you wouldn't disappoint me. One of your students, eh, Yun? Not a very good one, if it can be caught so easily.
Let me go. I'll show you how good I am.
Let you go? What sort of evil tyrant would I be if I let my prize catch go? And what about you? Are you an element too?
Does she look like an element, Boo? You have no need of her.
Ah, but I do. Either you tell me where the other 3 elements are, or the girl goes in the vat.
No!
Leave her! She's just a child. Take me!
Take you? I've already got you. Doesn't anyone here understand how the captor-captive relationship works? I have all
Breathe
the
slowly.
power, you have none.
Feel the stillness.
Don't get to me.
Draw on its power. It's working.
You are my victims!
I'm not!
The frozen fist!
Ooh, what's the big scary water element going to do? Splash me? The frozen fist is no match for the tiger's claw!
This is gonna be too easy.
Draw on the power of the golden dragon.
I can't. I'm not strong enough.
Yes, you are, Raindrop. Believe believe in that power.
Quiet, Yun. You're not in your classroom now. This is my school, and I'm about to teach this little drip a big lesson.
Dragon Tidal!
General!
Well done.
Raindrop, over here!
Get off me! Do something! Don't let them escape!
Behind you.
Get the water element! I want him alive!
Now I've got you!
Come on, let's get out of here!
Help! Someone! Help me up!
There's the gate!
You go. If I stay, the general will think I am hiding you nearby, and that will give you time to get far away from here.
Master, we are not going without you.
You must. To find the other elements and awaken the golden dragon. That is the only way peace can be restored.
But we don't know where to start looking.
Or what these other elements look like. You have to come with us.
Take this, the dragon's eye. It will help guide you.
But, Master,
Do not worry. I am too valuable to General Boo for him to harm me.
They've got to be here somewhere.
Go before they see you.
The Master's ways are not always clear, but they are always right.
Trample him into the dust and find that drip! He's heading for the fortress! The water element must still be there! After him!
You found me, but you won't find him.
Ha! How far could Raindrop have gotten? Or should I just wait for him to return to try to save you? Next time I'll be ready. Flamo! Grab him!
Are you as clumsy with your fire?
I'll show you who's clumsy.
Flamo! No! You fool! Turn off the gas! Turn off the gas!
Are you looking for this?
unbelievable! He did it! He bought us time! Somehow the Master got General Boo and his army to take off.
Then we had best get away while we have the chance.
And I guess this thing's supposed to tell us where to.
It's pointing this way.
That's it? That's all it tells us? What about how far we go? And how we'll know when we're there?
I don't know, but as the Master says, the longest journey.
Yeah. Starts with a single... Ow! Prickled gooseberry.